Kaya dito ako. Gina! Gina, pre!
Susi sa akin, Tang. Tang, susi sa akin. Susi sa akin. Kiro. Dudulas ka, ha? Ito. Ito na. Oh.
Bakit ganyan yung pagkap?
Wow. Sige na. Ay, ito. Handa ka rin. Handa ka rin.
Video yan eh.
Oh. Sige.
Okay na.
Sige na.
Okay.
Ay, kasabihan. Kita niya. 7 inches. Hello.
Walang sa akin dati ka mo.
Sama ko po si...
Iki mo rin inya maganta kay YouTube.
7. Ay, siguro 5.
Kiro. Kaya. Video yun. Video. Hello. Sige, munta na ako rin.
The 18th birthday of a remarkable young lady. 18 is more than just a number. It marks the beginning of a new chapter. A time of dream, opportunity, responsibilities, and beautiful possibilities. On behalf of the family, we thank you all for being here tonight to share this wonderful occasion with us. So let us make this evening more memorable as we celebrate our beautiful AJ Paula Mendoza. Alright, but before we welcome her, let us first recognize the people who have been the greatest part or source of love, guidance, and inspiration. every beautiful story begins with a family. Nag-agree po ba kayo? Every beautiful story starts with a family. Tonight, we will... Bravo. Okay, tonight we would like to acknowledge the people who have been there through every milestone, every challenge, and every triumph in AJ's Powers. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the proud parents of our debutants. Sir Jonel Mendoza, the father of the debutant, together with Annette Mendoza, the wonderful mother of our debutant. Palakpakan po natin the parents of our debutant. Also, tinatawagan po natin ang mga kapatid po, the brothers Kenneth Mendoza and Jonel Mendoza.
Alright.
She is becoming. She is a daughter, a sister, a friend, and a dreamer. She carries with her the love of her family, the lessons of her childhood, and the hopes of dreams for the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of tonight's celebration, our beautiful debutant, AJ Paula Mendoza. What about a big warm round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, at this point in time, though, before we officially start, no, we'll be seeking guidance and blessing from the Lord. May I call on the brother of our debutant, Kenneth, to lead our prayer.
Let's party!
Ano ba? Pinapos mo na yun, wala kayo na umaga. Yun na talaga yun. Okay. Without further ado po, no, we'll proceed. No? But first, we want to know, how well do we know our debutant? No? Gaano po ba natin siya kakilala? Okay? So we have prepared prizes for tonight's event. No? First, we'll be asking some trivia questions. No? To start the ball rolling. Kapag po nagtanong ako, anyone po pwede magtaas ng kamay. And then, Tita Loves, si Tita Loves po, will approach you. Okay. The first question. The year, the time.
Paano, Kiro? Paano mo bibigay? Kiro, paano mo bibigay? Tapos dance mo si Tita Pao, no? Ako, ito,
Next,
da-dance
we have Mr. Robin Misla. Next, we have Mr. Miguel Fuentes Pina.
Opo, bibigay si Tita Pao. Birthday niya. Oh. Ito nga. Ako, dalawa sa akin? Hindi, bibigay mo.
Next, we have Sir Kevin Pacho. Ang pickleballer. Next, we have Mr. Esam. Esam Guma. Mamaya po may sample tayo mag-iwan. Okay. Next, we have Adrian Mendoza. TikTok. Next, yours truly, Christian Manyala. Next, we have Calvin Manyala. Next, we have Tito Noel Mendoza.
Bin!
Next, we have Kiro Austin Mendoza. Hi, Kiro.
Sino ba yung next yan? Di ba si JJ?
Next, we have JJ Mendoza.
Alright!
Next, we have Kuya Kenneth Mendoza. And of course, to complete our roses, we have the father of the debutant, Tito Jonel Mendoza. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the 18 roses. Okay, meron pa po pala. Mr. Mark Lester. Yes, Mark Justin.
Alright!
Okay, that concludes our 18 roses. Inviting all the 18 roses po to come here in front po for a photo op. Senior din po siya.
Ay, kamu pala.
Di malalam kan? Hiro, wait mo lang si Lolo J. Bah, tutunog ito. Wow. Sana yung murang boto. Mabim po.